Hey everybody, I've left Darwen. Loss is back to our usual self today, and we're just pushing the bike. The winds are so strong today and they're heading straight upon us that we just have to take our time today and go with the flow. I'm aiming for Hebden Bridge, which is 22 miles away. I'm going to take it in chunks. So first I'm off to Haslingdean, I think it is, and then Barcup, and then up to Hebden Bridge. So fingers crossed, here goes. Have a good day everybody, love you. Hey everybody, we are in Hebden Bridge. We left Darwen this morning and had to push the bike about 4 miles because the winds were so high up on the moors, and it was really scary, and I just couldn't continue on the road. It was a 50-mile-an-hour road and the traffic was whizzing by. So I hooted down the hill to Blackburn, and we got on the train. And 40 minutes later, here we are. Hebden Bridge is a wonderful place. Just been to the co-op and stocked up on some food, and guess what I bumped into the co-op? I bumped into my brother who I've come to visit. So tonight I'm booked into a campsite just a mile or so up the road. I need a shower. I haven't showered for 3 days. Bloss needs a bath because she still smells of sick. And tomorrow then I'm meeting up with the boys and we're going to spend the day together. So happy days, and keep you posted. Look at the gradient on that. Beep beep beep. It might not look much from the film, but it's the steepest one I've ever done so far. I've been pushing the bike now for about an hour out to Hebden Bridge. The hills are insane. I don't know if it's possible, but they must be about 25%, seriously. And the higher I'm getting, the wind is blowing an absolute holy, and it's all uphill to the camping, and the pub's shut. I was going to reward myself with a pint. Maybe my dal will have to suffice. And when I got to the top of the hills finally, this is the view I was greeted with. Absolutely spectacular. Absolutely blowing a hoolie, but definitely worth all the sweat pushing the bike up the hill.